Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you a really cute little way to join your crochet, whether it's just a granny square or what you're joining. So this is for a visible join, and it's actually quite cute. So I'm going to show you using this pink yarn, which obviously you wouldn't use if you were making this project, because it wouldn't really be in keeping. So I'm just going to make myself a slip knot, and I'm going to go to my very corner stitch, which is the very first one, insert it and pull it through. Now I'm through. Now I'm going to drop that tail behind, and I'm going to find the corresponding stitch on this one here and insert my hook that way. And I'm going to pull up my yarn, so I'm in here now, and I'm going to slip stitch. So now I'm going to go to the very next one here, and I'm going to slip stitch. And then I'm going to go to the very next one along on this top one, which is there, pull it through, and I'm going to slip stitch, and then back down to this one, pull it through and do a slip stitch, then back up, whoops, take your yarn with you, go into the next one along there, pull up and slip stitch, and again this one down here exactly the same, pull the yarn through and slip stitch, the next corresponding one here, which is there, and pull up and slip stitch. Now if you have a look at it, it zigzags. I think that looks really kind of cute. That's a nice visible join that you don't mind seeing. So I'm going to try and zoom in, and hopefully, I've gone the wrong way, always go the wrong way. Hopefully I won't deviate from the camera. So the last one I finished on was up there. I'm going to go into this bottom one and pull my yarn through and slip stitch. Then I'm going to go into the very next one at the top, aim my hook down, bring up my yarn, pull it through and do a slip stitch, and into the next one at the bottom, and you just alternate from one to the other, and then into the top next one, pull the yarn through. You don't, oops, daisy, I've got a bit extra. You don't want to be pulling it too tight, that's the only thing. Just try and keep consistent. I may have loosened off a little bit while I'm showing you. And into the next one at the top, and slip stitch through. But if you look at it, I think that looks really nice. It's like a little zigzag all the way along, kind of up and down. And if you're using a contrasting colour, say if I was going to be using this turquoise one or a white, then I think that would look really nice. So just keep going. I'm not holding my hook properly for me. And then into the top one. Sorry if you can hear, that's my neighbour. He's doing some gardening and he's working near the fence. I've actually got a little bit too much yarn there. That's it. Didn't go through cleanly. That's it. Pulled a little bit of blue back with me. So I think this looks really cool. And I can see myself using this one on some of my granny square projects, because I just think it sets it off quite nicely if you do it right with a nice alternative colour. Then it will make a feature of that join rather than something that you're trying to hide. It'll be something bold, and I hope I'm not moving too much while I'm zoomed. Just going all the way along to show you with this. And then into the next one at the top, just the same as you've been doing all this time. And be careful not to get some of the blue with it. This yarn is really mega soft, and it is ever so easy to catch the wrong parts. Just so soft. And again, Just pull that through and slip stitch. And the bottom one, nearly at the end, all the way along. I have to say, it's actually my new favourite joining method. And I have a project that I want to join a lot. The only trouble being, I need to do invisible joins, so I won't be able to use it, sadly. So into the very corner, to the last one. And likewise into the corresponding corner, which is there. Pull it up. And do my... Did I get some blue? No. Or maybe I did. Perhaps I did. Let's do that one again. Perfectionist in me does not like that. So hard to get into that one from this angle because of the way I'm holding it. There we are, I'm through. Last one. I'm just going to do a chain and pull it out so that you can then... I'll zoom out now. You can see it. Doesn't that look kind of cool? I like the way it zigzags all the way along. So I hope you've enjoyed that. And I hope it's given you something else to do. On the back, that's what you see, just a little tiny zigzag. But I actually really like that. Very impressed with that one. So thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. You'll be informed when there are new tutorials and videos. If you could also like and share this video, it would really help me grow my channel. And I would really appreciate that. So thanks for watching. And until next time, bye-bye for now, everyone.